Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now this is a couple days after, but the Golden G is officially sold. Can I get a rip in the comments for the Golden G35? I want you to comment down how much you guys think is sold. You guys saw the price. Did you think it's sold for the price? Let me know down in the comments. It did. Let me know down in the comment section below. In today's video, we're gonna be installing the new bumper on the G35. It looks super good, but I want you guys to help me with a couple fitment issues. So if you guys have some brilliant ideas, I know some of you guys are scientists and engineers, go ahead, comment down below any ideas that can possibly help me. I'd appreciate it so much. So without further ado, let's begin today's video. We have the clutch install coming in soon, probably sometime next week, so I'm excited for that. I'll catch you guys next video, but thank you guys. Enjoy the video. Good morning, y'all. We might be selling the G very soon. We're gonna have a couple people look at it. Could be the last day here. Could be your last day here, buddy. Alright y'all, this could be the last start and the loudest G in the world. Yikes, man, dude. Hopefully he gets it. If not, well, it's alright. We'll continue. I think he really wants it. We'll see. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. But hopefully everything goes good. God's on our side today. Alright guys, the car is officially sold. I'm sorry this thing's making noise, but now I don't have a ride, so I'm just waiting for my ride. It's gone, baby. No, one day after. You know, I'm definitely gonna miss the G, but when you got this... Oh, show it passed. That was it, the last glimpse of the G. The bumper already has pre-drilled or pre-marked holes. I don't know if you can see, which is pretty nice. Alright, so we just aligned the grill right now. Still needs a little bit, a couple of work, but we're gonna get there. And then we might have to sand this down a little bit so that the vinyl can stick. We need to buy some new side markers because the other ones I don't have. Here in the side you can see the fitment is not too bad. It does have a little gap here in the bottom, but at least the side. Again, new look here pretty soon. Also right here, there's usually in your OEM bumper you got one bolt here and one bolt here, except the fact that right here we can put one of these brackets that I got from Amazon. These little brackets that you can place. In this case, the bracket that I was talking to you guys about does not fit in here. It does fit in here, so we might just put it in the back, kind of like the bumper quick release, and then just have it held on from one point, and hopefully we can readjust the headlight a little bit. Alright y'all, we just got done installing the fender liners here, nice and sturdy. I definitely need to secure this because last time I literally bolted on every single bolt from here to the side to the inside, and I kind of left it like, because I was like, oh, I don't think this will, you know, do much of a difference when driving, and I didn't put a clip on here because I didn't have any more clips. I was like, I think it'll be fine. And when I went on the freeway, this thing ended up going down, dragging, and completely shredding the whole fender liner. The wheel just ate it up. So I definitely do want to secure this. Then I'll make the same mistake again. So I'm gonna secure it, make sure it doesn't go down no more and drag or something. But now we're pretty much just gonna drill the hole for the, maybe adjust the headlight a little bit, and then sand it. Stuck like a purple vinyl. This is the one that my dad has in his car. It's just kind of on there, but you can see the edges. You put them down and they're already lifting up. You see that right there? Like, I don't mind edges. If it doesn't really stick, we can maybe put some primer, like a little sticky primer, and it'll stick on. But the only thing I don't want it is in the middle. You know, once we put everything on and say the middle lifts up, then we're gonna have like a bubble like this or something, and it's not gonna look good. So most likely we might have to send this, probably I might just send it to get primered, honestly. Get it primered just like the hood, and we could just wrap over that, and that'll be more than enough. But yeah, we'll probably end up doing that because this wrap is not sticking by, and I don't want to wrap the whole thing, waste like 70 bucks just so I can rewrap it again because it's falling. Might as well do it right the first time. Look, it kind of slips too, you see? It's almost like sandpaper. It's probably have to rock it right now like that, black, and then we'll probably go get it fixed and stuff. All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. I present to you the G35 2.0 with the bumper. Oh man, it looks good. Love it, man. I'm loving it so far. We just need that front splitter with the rods. Ooh, it's gonna look delicious. No, wait, I mean, it's gonna look good. That's what I meant. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue my phone because my camera's being in such a little. Anyways, we're having the battle of the shipping companies. We got FedEx and anyways, the freaking bumper is looking good. It does have some minor, you know, fitment issues. No biggie. You guys can look right here. We do have a small gap. We could just bring up the bumper up like that. Wait, I almost fell. We could bring up the bumper like that a little bit and it'll fix the issue. Same on the other side over here. And this is because we don't have this bolt. We do have a bolt securing it here, but we couldn't put this one because the freaking bracket would not fit in there, or the clamp. So that's gonna be an issue. But if we have it there and we can find a way to pull this forward, I don't know, with an undershot or something like that. But yeah, for right now, it'll do just to get some pictures. You can't really even tell, to be honest. Looks really, really good. It's right here. I mean, it's not too far off, but I mean, whatever. If you guys have any ideas, go ahead, comment down below how I can go ahead and fix this fitment issue. But so far so good, man. I'm loving it. Man, great quality bumper. It's awesome. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and take it out for a spin. All right, guys, we're heading out from my house. As you can see, the windows are up, which means the car is fully legal. No time to fear, but at the same time still kind of feared because if I get stopped, well, I'm still getting stopped, you know. So hopefully I don't get stopped. The sun is out, so hopefully the cop goes like, oh, you know what, it's kind of hot today, you know, it might save him, so I'm gonna let him slide. But we'll see. Now we can actually drive the car. It has a bumper. Like, we could just go anywhere, bro, except these cars will never stop going. So kind of getting used to the manual life a little bit now. Like I said in other previous videos, now I get less nervous to get in the car. Now I'm like, oh, I'm just going for a drive instead of like, holy shit, am I gonna stall, you know? So freaking driving manual has been so far so good. Haven't been in real too much traffic yet. I was gonna drive it to a meet. There was gonna be a cruise. We're gonna go to like a place around 40 minutes away, but some of my friends couldn't make it. So, but like I said, I still haven't experienced that. Bam, you know. I know my friend has like a Honda Accord. He had a 6-speed manual Accord, and every time he shifted, like, I would just clock back and like I would feel the difference, right? But with this, I'm really not feeling it. I don't know if I'm just super good at shifting and it's just super smooth like a linear power line. Like I said in other previous videos, the clutch is not grabbing, so it slips. So I'm pretty sure it's that clutch install will probably come sometime next week. I already talked it over with my friend. He's gonna go ahead, help me. He said, bro, you're basically gonna install it yourself. I'm gonna help you and like what parts you need, and like I'm gonna tell you what to do, but you're gonna install the whole thing. And I'm gonna be like, shoosh, I'm a little scared, a little nervous, but you know, that's the way you learn, you know. So I do appreciate that part from him. So we're gonna go ahead and install it, hopefully learn, and then second time around, hopefully we can go solo. But for right now, we're gonna have to join a multiplayer lobby, get some help, and yeah, but this thing's okay. It feels good having the windows up. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It feels hella good. Let me know down in the comments what kind of color, bro. I'm so confused. I think I'm just gonna go with the midnight purple. I've been looking at 1,000 million colors, and none of them have popped out to me as much as the midnight purple. So honestly, I think I'm gonna just go with the midnight purple because it's just, you see it slips. You see, oh my god, it's just slipping, bro, constantly. Man, imagine when it grabs. Now that's gonna be fun. I can tell you that right now, that's gonna be fun. See, this is the first time I go into 5th. I've never gone into 5th until now. I've only been 1st, 2nd, like 90% of the time, and then like 5% into third and fourth maybe, but fifth, this is the first time I go into fifth, bro. That's crazy. In my automatic, we only had fifth gear, so this is where it would end. But in this one, I believe we have one extra gear, so we got sixth gear, which I don't know if I should use right now. I'm still a little nervous with downshifting. I still haven't perfected it. I still need to wrap my idea around downshifting and how the process works. So, but we'll get it down, man. We'll get it down. Alright, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys next time. Should I just go midnight purple? Fuck it. Go midnight purple? Anyways, also I need to change my caliper colors. What color accent do you guys think I should do? Should I keep the yellow? Should I go like a blue? Let me know down in the comments as well. So I'll catch you guys next video. Be safe. Be distinct, man. You guys already know. Be different, man. Get out of your comfort zone. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.